If you are wondering if there are any AI features available on Samsung Galaxy S25, then the answer is yes. And in order to find the list of these AI tools, we can go to Settings, and here we will find Galaxy AI. Here we have the summary of all AI features that we have available on this phone. And we have, for example, Call Assist, where we can get real-time translations during voice calls. We have Writing Assist, which allows us to get tools to compose, organize, and improve text. We also have the chat translation, and we have suggested replies to text messages. We have Interpreter that allows us to create live translations of spoken conversations, available as voice or text output. We have Assists for note-taking, for voice recording, and for browsing the internet. So we can use the Notes app, Voice Recorder app, or the Samsung Internet app, the browser, I mean, in order to use and find some of these tools that are listed here. We also have Photo Assist, so the gallery has some of the AI features as well. So for example, we can remove objects and people from images. We can cut them out using the lasso option. We have also Drawing Assist, where we can create simple sketches and turn them into something better. We have Audio Eraser, where we can remove noises and the sound of nature as well while editing videos. And we also have the Photo Ambient Wallpaper option, which allows us to create a little synchronization with the weather. Furthermore, we can also find Now Brief, which allows you to get a personalized briefing with suggested content and actions that change throughout the day. And we also have Health Assist for Samsung Health app, where we can get personalized insights and guidance based on the health data that we provide. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!